Good afternoon, sir. Could you enjoy some chocolate? Chocolate? Did you say chocolate? Yes, sir. Without nuts. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. I got it. What chocolate bar? Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. That's it, Patrick. We gotta stretch the truth. Chocolate! Chocolate! No, 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 no. Anything, please. Finally! I've been trying to catch boys all day. Now I got you where I am.